How to set up, use, and maintain the RYOBI 18-volt ONE HP SWIFTClean Wet Dry Stick Vacuum. Included in the box is the SWIFTClean Wet Dry Stick Vacuum, 8-ounce bottle of RYOBI Advanced Hard Floor Cleaning Formula, extension wand, 2 roller bars, 2 filters, self-cleaning stand, and an 18-volt 4-amp-hour high-performance battery and charger. Now, let's get your SWIFTClean set up and ready to use. Begin by inserting the handle into the vacuum until you hear a click. Remove the cleaning tank from the SWIFTClean by pressing the release button. Next, flip the lid open and fill with warm water up to the water line. Pour the RYOBI Advanced Hard Floor Cleaning Concentrate to the formula line. Close the lid and place the cleaning tank back on the vacuum. Insert any RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ battery. Now that your SWIFTClean is set up, let's put it to use. Begin by turning on the vacuum using the power button. Your SWIFTClean vacuum features a variety of modes and will begin in auto mode, meaning it will start dispensing solution and spinning the roller bar upon first use. Make a few initial passes to fully saturate the roller bar. You can use this 2-in-1 mop and vacuum on any sealed hard floors, such as tile, hardwood, laminate, luxury vinyl, and more. For stubborn messes, press the max button to increase the suction. The LED display has a variety of icons to indicate the status of your vacuum. Use this product like a traditional vacuum or mop by moving back and forth across your floor, making multiple passes where needed for stuck-on debris. Efficiently clean wet and dry debris such as coffee, applesauce, cereal, syrup, and more. The SWIFTClean Dirty Tank comes equipped with a float that manages the capacity of debris. If your dirty tank is full and you continue to use the SWIFTClean, the float will automatically engage and shut off the vacuum to avoid any potential overflow. This means it is time to empty your dirty tank for best performance. Follow these steps after each use before storing your SWIFTClean. Place the vacuum onto the self-cleaning stand. Press the pedal on the stand to activate the 60-second self-cleaning cycle. This feature cleans the inside of the vacuum to minimize manual maintenance. Remove the clear roller bar cover by squeezing the tabs. Next, lift the green lever on the side of the roller bar to remove it from the floor head. You can clean the roller bar with soap and water when needed. Wipe down the area behind the roller bar if there is residue buildup. Remove and empty the dirty tank. And then remove the filter by pulling the blue tab. Rinse each of these components and place the clean filter and roller bar onto the stand to air dry. Let all components of your SWIFTClean dry for at least 24 hours before your next use. For best results, follow these guidelines for setting up, using, and maintaining your RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ HP SWIFTClean Wet Dry Stick Vacuum. Additional accessories are available at Home Depot and HomeDepot.com, such as a replacement roller bar and filter, as well as additional RYOBI Advanced Hard Floor Cleaning Formula. Have additional questions? Call RYOBI Customer Service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit RYOBITools.com.